I don't like being small. I can't do anything, nothing fits, and I miss everything.
Don't worry, Mo. You'll get bigger.
I want to be big right now.
I wanna be bigger, I wanna be tall. I don't like being small at all. I think about it every single day. I wish I was taller than a tree and everyone looked up to me. If I could only grow just a little bit more. Hey Mo, don't you worry, you'll grow. 'Cause all of us went through the same thing just like you. And hey, before you know it, we'll see how much you grew, and we'll be looking up at you. I'm feeling bigger, feeling tall. Guess I'm not so small after all. 'Cause I know that I'm growing every day. Can you imagine what I could do? Seeing the world from a different view. I'd write your name up in the sky for you. I'd dance above the treetops just for you. If I could only grow just a little bit more. You know you're gonna grow up. You know you're gonna grow up soon. You know you're gonna grow up. You know you're growing up real soon. You know you're gonna grow up.